So another arithmetic question for CUET UG 2025 aspirant. The average of 101 consecutive odd numbers is 303. Find the largest number. Try to solve this question while pausing the video and then only see the solution. Now the conventional way would be using the arithmetic progression. Let's say the first term be x, because it will be arithmetic progression, because consecutive odd numbers, the difference between any two consecutive odd numbers would be 2, which means common difference of 2. So let's assume the first term to be x, the next term would be x plus 2, x plus 4, so on. We need to find 101 terms or the 101st term by applying the formula for arithmetic progression, and then we'll solve it. And this is not a good way of solving an aptitude based question. How should we approach this? Let's understand this. Before that, let's understand a concept on the consecutive numbers and average. Now let's take 3 consecutive numbers. So let's say 5 consecutive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause the video and try to find the average, simple arithmetic mean of these 5 numbers. Add the numbers divided by 5. Find the average. What will be the average? The average will be 3, the middle term. It's either the first term plus the last term divided by 2, 1 plus 5, which is 6 by 2, 3, or the middle term. Now you may ask, sir, what will happen if we'll have even number of terms? Let's see that also. Let's say there are 6 terms. Now what will be the average of these 6 terms? Again pause the video, try to solve this by adding all these 6 numbers and dividing it by 6. Or you can do the first term plus the last term, which is 1 plus 6, which is 7, 7 by 2 is 3.5. Or the middle 2 terms, because since there are even number of terms, you won't get one single middle term, but we will get two middle terms. So 2 middle terms are 3 and 4, so 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 by 2 is 3.5. This is the average. This is how you do it. So let me summarize. If you have odd number of terms, then the average will be the middle term and there will be only one middle term. And if there are even number of terms, then there will be 2 middle terms and the average will be the sum of 2 middle terms divided by 2, the simple arithmetic mean of those 2. Now let's apply this concept over here in this question. So there are 101 consecutive odd numbers. This will happen in odd also or even also. For example, let's take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. See, these are consecutive 5 odd numbers. The average of these 5 odd numbers will be 5. You can check it, right? Even for even consecutive numbers also it will be the same. So see, it will be first term plus last term, 1 plus 9, which is 10 by 2, 5. That means if the numbers are in arithmetic progression, they have same common difference, whether the common difference is 1 or 2 or any same common difference, the average will be like this, only the middle term or the first term plus the last term divided by 2, and in even number of terms it will change accordingly. Let's now see what is over here. The average of 101 consecutive odd numbers is 303. Consecutive odd 101. So the middle term will be what? The middle term will be the 51st term, because left there will be 50 terms, right there will be 50 terms, 50 plus 50, 100, and there will be 101 terms. So average will be the 51st term. The 51st term, the middle term, there will be some single middle term, and that will be the average, right? Perfectly fine. Average of 101 consecutive odd numbers is 303. So this 51st term is 303. And there are consecutive odd numbers. The last term will be, there will be more 50 terms and they will all be with a common difference of 2. So next term will be 305, then 307, so on. We need to find the largest number. See, so 303. After this, the first term you need to add 2. The second term you need to add 4. The third term you need to add 6. And the 50th term. Why so? Because there are 50 more numbers. The 50th number you need to add, see, for first 1 into 2. For second 2 into 2. For third 3 into 2, 6. So for 50th term 50 into 100. So you just need to add 100 in 303 to get my answer. 303 plus 100 is 403. So the largest number of this would be 403. Stay tuned for such wonderful questions and wonderful tricks. All the best. God bless you. Thank you.